So hey guys, it's KV here and you are watching KV editing channel. So today in this video we are going to create the wedding title, or you can also say the golden title, that is like Premiere Pro in KineMaster. So without any delay, let's get started. So now open your KineMaster application and now create a new project. So choose 16:9 ratio and add a black background. After that, increase the length of the background and make it till the length of 8 or 9 seconds. So after that, go to the layer option and add a text layer. So I am adding my text. So now let's add the font. So go to the font option and Latin section, and you can add this Great Vibes font. So after that, increase the size of the text and scroll down and find the outline option. Then enable the outline and choose the color to white. Now keep the weight value up to, or you can also keep as your need. So after that, let's go back and go to the text option and little increase the character value. So now let's go to the layer option again and go to the media and add this texture. So I will keep the link of this texture in the description. So go to the blending option and choose the blending mode to multiply. So now we have successfully added the texture. Now increase the length of this both layer. So after that, go to the layer option again and add this black background. So after that, scroll down and find the cropping option, and now enable the mask and increase the feather value. So now increase the size of this background and put it in one side. So now add a key. Now move ahead and add about 1.6 to 1.7 second. Add another key and move the background to the left. So after that, go to the three dot and create a duplicate. So now you have to do the same for the another side. So I am editing the same key points and doing it in the opposite side. So now you can see our result look like this. So after that, go to the layer option again and add this particle overlay. So I will give the link of all the media or asset in the description, so you can download from there. Now blend this overlay to screen. So go to the blending option and choose the blending mode to screen. So you can see that. So after that, go to the layer option and add this flare overlay again. So I have two flare overlay here. So I will use the first one. So you can use any of them. So now I will trim off the extra part. Now feed this overlay to screen. So after that, scroll down and find the blending option and also choose the blending mode to screen. Little decrease the opacity of this overlay, so I will keep in between 90 to 95. Now push this overlay little back. So now let's add particle reveal overlay. So go to the media and add this overlay. So I have two overlay here, so I will use the first one for now. So you can also use second one if you like. So now I will trim off the extra part. So after that, select the overlay and scroll down and find the blending option and choose the blending option to screen. So now you can fit this overlay in the proper position. So now our wedding title or golden title is ready. So in this way, you can easily create golden title like Premiere Pro in KineMaster. So if you like my video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So you can also check out more editing tutorials playlist on the right. So thank you for watching.